Hey guys, I'm testing the Airman ResQ Pilot tire mobility kit compressor. So I'm not going to fix a tire by using the sealant, but just testing if I can fill my tires to the correct pressure with this one. So it does have a pressure gauge on it, and here we can see that it has the cable for power, and it has a socket for the 12-volt socket in the car. The instructions say that you should plug this in and turn the car on, and then use the compressor. It has a power switch in down here, and it also says that you shouldn't run it for more than 15 minutes at a time. I guess it might overheat or something like that. And here it has the cable, which you put on the tire. So I'll plug this in and let's see how it works. Okay, so now the compressor is plugged in. I can turn it on and I can get some air out of it. Let's see if I can still connect it. I have a pressure gauge here which I have found to be accurate. It's showing 2.4 bar currently. Can roll this onto the tire. Not very handy, but doable. And I can see that the pressure gauge on the device is showing well, I guess that's 2.3 about. So it's not super accurate, but fairly close. So I'll turn the compressor on and see what happens. Pressure is going up. Okay, it's very slow filling up the tire, but it does work, and we did get some more pressure into the wheel. I'll disconnect them. Let's check with the pressure gauge how much pressure we got. So we are at 2.65. So at least we know that the compressor works, but it is very inefficient. So it's actually quite cumbersome to get the cable out and so on. So I wouldn't use this for when I'm changing the tires from winter to summer tires and filling up the pressures. I much rather use a real compressor for that, but for purpose of maybe if you're in a pinch and you need to fill up tires, you could use it for that. Or if you have some bikes you want to fill up the pressure for, but even those I much rather use a manual pump for my bike than pull out this and connect it and then roll up the cables and so on. It's quite cumbersome for that. But as a tire mobility kit which you stow into the car, it's very small and neatly packed. I think it will be strong enough to fill up the tire if I need to put some sealant in the tire. So I think it will work for that. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please give a thumbs up, and hope to see you in my future videos. Bye.